discuss objective problems on combination of resistors. You can see that. Now, first one, the effective resistance between A and B in the given circuit is the given. Options 20 ohm, 3 ohm, 7 ohm, 6 ohm. Now this is the resistance, effective resistance between A and B. See here, these are in the series combination. Series combination means what? 2, 2, 2. That is total 6. Total 6. That's why we can modify these like like 2, 2, 3 ohms, here 3 ohms, here 2 ohms and 2 ohms. Now it is what we got, total 6 ohms. Then these two are in parallel. Why it is say parallel means at this junction the current will be divided. Current is divided means in the parallel combination only. That is 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3. That is 18 by 9. 18 by 9 means what? 2. This combination is 2 ohms. Then again modified what we got. Then 3 ohms. This is the 2 ohm, this is the 2 ohm, and this is the 2 ohm. Total this is also in series. Series means 2 plus 2 plus 2. What are? 6. Here it is 6. Again modified what we got? Again modified what we got? See like this. This is the 3 ohm. Now 2 ohm and 2. Then these are in parallel. Parallel means 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3. That is 2 ohm. Like this. Now what you got? That is, we are getting 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2. Then it's modified AB. That is the total 6 ohm. This is the correct answer. First these are series. Again these two are in parallel. And next this series. Again this parallel and this 6 ohm. Now going to second problem. It's very important. A letter A is constructed to form a uniform wire with a resistance 1 ohm per centimeter. It is a letter. It is a constructed A letter. It is a uniform resistance. Means 1 centimeter which contains 1 ohm of resistance. Means centimeter length of wire is nothing but 1 ohm. Now the sides of the letters are 20 centimeter. Total the sides, what they said, 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter means what? Simply what we say, 20 ohms. This is the totally 20 ohms. And now the cross piece in the middle is 10 centimeters long. This they given what? 10 centimeters long. 10 centimeters long means 10 ohms. The apex angle is 60. Yes, this is the angle 60. The resistance between the ends of the legs. What is the resistance of the legs of the letter A? Now here you can see. Here we are applying the voltage in between A and B like that. On the time what here current will be divided. It's passing through it, but here not divided again. That means this part will be series. This is the parallel with this. That's why this is what the total 20 is the middle. That's why it is the 10. is the 10 ohm. 10 centimeter. Centimeter is nothing but ohm. This is also 10. Now here 10. Here 10. Now the modified this, no? See. Like this. Like this. It is the B, it is the A. Now what? This is 10 ohm. This is 10 ohm. Here 10 ohm. This is 10 ohm. This is 10 ohm. Now what we say simple. These two are in series. Series means what? 10 plus 10, 20. 20 and this is 10. These are in parallel. That's why what? 20 into 10 by 20 plus 10. Then what you got? 200 by 30. Cancel. 20 by 3. 20 by 3. Then modify this what? Simple like this. A here. It is the B. Now what? It is the 10 ohm. 20 by 3 ohm. And this is the 10 ohm. Now total resistance in between A and B. RAB is equal to 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 20 ohm by 3. That is 80 by 3. 80 by 3 means what? 26.7 ohm. Now third one. The effective resistance in series combination of two equal resistance is S. When they are joined in parallel, the total resistance is P. If S is equal to NP, the minimum possible value of N is. Options of 4, 1, 2, 3 they given. Now here two equal resistance are connected in series. R1 plus R2 is equal to S. Then two equal resistance means simply we are called 2R is equal to S. Then in parallel combination, that is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. That is equal to the given P. That is R by 2 is equal to P. Then what they given? See, if S is equal to NP, S is equal to NP, then we substituted S is 2R is equal to N into P is R by 2. R cancel. Then N is equal to 4. Now fourth one. Equivalent resistance across A and B in the given circuit is option 7R, 8R by 7, 4R by 7, 7R by 8. Now here we can see they are asking in between A and B. Here we are connected to the battery in between A and B. Here at this point the current will be divided. Yes. Now this at this point. Again at this point C, D we consider it is the E, it is the B. Now at C point the current again divided. The same means here current is I by 2. It is the I, it is the I by 2. Again it is I by 4. Again it is current will be divided I by 4. Equal resistance. But here current will pass. But this current will be more. That's why the current will be passes through this line. This I by 4 current is not passing through it. That's why the connection will be dispatched. Then the circuit can be modified like this. Like this. Here there is no connection. Then A, it is the B. Now here we do both three resistors are equal. Now these two are in series. That is the 2R. This is R. These two are in parallel. That's why the value of these what we write 2R by R plus 2R. Then what? 2R square by 3R. R cancel. What do you get? 2R by 3. Then modified these. What we got? See the final. What we did now. This total series. This is the R. This is what we got. 2R by 3. This is the R. That what we did here is equal to 2R plus 2R by 3. Then take LCM 3. 6R plus 2R. 8R. 8R by 3. Now here these two are in series. That is its value is 2R. Both these two are like the last final one. A, it is the B. The value is 2R. Now this value is 8R by 3. These two are in parallel. That's why 8 by 3R into 2R by 8 by 3 plus 2R. Then 16R by 3 by take LCM 3. Then what? 6 plus 8, 14R. 3 cancel. Here R square. R cancel. Then here 8 is a 7 there. Then what do you get? 8 by 7R. 8 by 7R. Now we are going to discuss fifth one. A ring is made of a wire having a resistance R not equal to 12 ohms. Find the point A and B as shown in figure, at which a current carrying a conductor should be connected so that the resistance R of the sub-circuit between these 2 points is equal to 8 by 3. Like this, total resistance of a wire is given. This is the 12 ohm. When it is connected like this, the resistance between the A and the B in the sub-circuit, this value is given in the parallel combination. That is 8 by 3. Now, total resistance of a wire R1 plus R2 is equal to 12 ohms. That must be equal to R0. But these two are in parallel. This is the R1, this is the R2. In parallel combination, R1 by R1, R2 by R1 plus R2, that must be equal to 8 by 3 they given. Now here, R1, R2 value is 8 by 3 into 12 is 4. That is equal to 32. Now, in which one is the larger side? This is. That's why we write R2 minus R1 is equal to square root of formula R1 plus R2 whole square minus 4 R1 R2. Then substitute 12 square 144 minus 4 into 32 128. Then what we got here? R2 minus R1 is equal to root 16, that is equal to 4. Then R1 plus R2 are R2 plus R2, R1, R2 minus R1. R2 plus 2R, it is 4. Then cancel. 2R2 is equal to 16, 8. That is R2 is equal to 8, R1 is equal to 4. We know the resistance of the conductor is directly proportional to length. By using this form, R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2. That is L1 is 4 because of R1 by 8. It's a 2. 1 by 2. That is L1 by L2 is 1 by 2. Now we are going to sixth one. See, in the given circuit, ammeter reading is same when both switches S1 and S2 are open or closed. The value of resistance are. Now first both switches are open. Both switches are open means the current will passes through this like this. It is unaffected by R. that is the total current in the switches both are open. On the time total resistance 300 plus 100 and 50, that is 450. Then 450 I, both S1 and S1 comma S2 are open. I is equal to, I is same is equal to S1 S2 are closed. Here S1 S2 are open. The current formula is equal to V by R, 1.5 by R. R is total resistance. 300, 100, 400, 400 plus 50. That is 450. That must be is equal to. Now both switches are closed. This closed, this and also closed. Here the current will passes through it. But at this point the switch is closed, means the current will passing through this only. Current does not pass through this. Then here 100 and R ohm is in a parallel. In the parallel combination 100 R by 100 plus R. And this is with the series. That's why the current of 1.5 by, now total 300 plus 100 R by 100 plus R. Now it's a cancel. Cross multiplication. That what you got, cross multiplication, 300 plus 100 R by 100 plus R is equal to 450. Now it's go to that side. Then 100 R by 100 plus R is equal to 150. Then multiply, cross multiplication. Then what you got, 100 R is equal to 150 into 100, that means plus 150 R. Then it is coming to this side, that is what we got, minus 50 R is equal to 150 100. That is 0 0 cancel. 5 1 is 5 3s are. That is R is equal to minus 300 ohm. That is. Now we are going to discuss very important. It is not an objective question. It is for advanced question. Like you see, figure shows a 5-pointed regular star made from a uniform wire. What is the resistance of FJR? What is the resistance of FBGFR? What is the resistance of AFBGCH branch? What is the equivalent resistance between A and H? Now, first we are going to discuss first one. That is, what they are asking, what is the resistance of FJ? FJ. What is the resistance of these? Yes. Now this is the 1 ohm. This is 1 ohm. Now this one. That's why it's making an angle is 72 degree. That's why this is what you write there. 1 cos theta. That's why 1 cos 72 degree. Then here also 1 cos 72 degree. That is what we get. The resistance of FJ is 2 into R cos 72 degree. That is 2 into, what is the resistance of each arm? 1 ohm. 1 into cos 72. Cos 72 value they given, that is 0.32. That's why we got multiplied 0.62. The all these 0.62, 0.62, 0.62, 0.62. That. Next, second question. Now, what is the resistance of FBGF? FBBG G of this. What is the resistance of this branch? This arm. Now we are finding here F, G. Here these two are in series. 1 plus 1, 2 plus. We know this value. That is 0.62. That is the resistance of FBGF is what? 2 and this. These two are in parallel. This value we know that 0.62 parallel. 1 plus 1, 2 plus parallel. That we write 2 into 0.62 by 2.62. That we got 0.47. Oh, this calculated we got 0.47. Now next, what is the resistance of AFBGCH? AFBGCH. This. Here, this is one. This is the another one. These two are in what? Series. These two are in series. And these also in series. That's why the resistance of AFBGCH. We know this resistance. Now we are calculating. Similarly, this also same. No. That means what you write here? 0.47 plus 0.47 plus 1. Then 1.94. We got 1.94. Now here, now the fourth one, you see, fourth one. What they asking? What is the equivalent resistance between A and H? You see in the star, it is exactly middle, symmetrical in both sides. That's why this side total resistance we have find 1.94. This side total resistance we have find, that is 1.94. That means these both at these 2 points means these two are in parallel. That's why 1.94 is in parallel. That's why the resistance of AH in the star is what you write in parallel combination into 1.94 by 1.94 plus 1.94. We are simply say AH is equal to 1.94, both equal resistance by 2. Then cancel, that is 0.97 volts. Now we are going to discuss a problem. Equivalent resistance of a given network between points A and B. 31 by 5, 41 by 5, 36 by 5, 49 by 5 like that. Now this is. See, in this the A and B means we are connected the battery in between A and B. That's why current here divided like these and these are parallel. But these two are in series. These two are in series. Now these two are in series means what? 6. These two are in series means what? Series means 4. 6, 3, 4. These two are in parallel. These two are in parallel means what? 6 into 4 by 10. Then what? 24 by 10. That is a 2.4. 2.4. That means each same in the 3. That's why the circuit can be written like these. That is A and B. Then it is 24 by 10. It is 24 by 10. 24 by 10. Then what do we write? See, RAB is equal to, there are in series. Then what you write here? 3 into 24 by 10. That is multiplied, we calculate like 5, 2 5s, 2 12s. That is 36 by 5. Now going to ninth one. Find equivalent resistance between the points A and B. They given like this: 2R, 3R, R by 2, R by 3. Now see. Here, at these connected the wire like this means the 1 and 3, 1 comma 3, at 1 comma 3 have same potential. And 2 and 4 also same potential. That means same potential means the connections will be same. Then what do you write like this? Here 1 comma 3. This connection will give here 1 comma 3. This connection there 2 comma 4. Then 2R, 2R. It is that is A and B. The resistance between A and B we can write here, that is 1 by RAB is equal to 1 by 2R plus 1 by 2R plus 1 by R. That we can take 1 by RAB is equal to 2 by R. Then RAB is equal to R by 2. This is the answer.